So my people, may have some more things to share with Uno about the knockings with Niah. You see me I say? Because Diamond come and go and bad my people. I'm gonna make you hear what Diamond have to say. I have a lot more people who react to the whole knockings and unaliving and Niah. Me see a live with a youth on it. I say him in a yard where a whole heap of people in the yard, but I feel people them. You see it, but him not live there. Him live on the scheme. You see me I say? So it look like say him love down in the ghetto area where be things are go on, be entertaining, and him say one studio in the yard. So enough of the youth them were in the yard. Them the studio car, them are artists. You see me? And that's why you see Niah always a feature some youth on him thing. We are artists, so it look like a him and them part. But people, it's like if it's a family yard certain way, right? And you can see the shock on him face when him see like one of the person, maybe the person have on mask, that's why I'm kinda shocked. You see me? And when him take off. So I school you, him react to the situation, you see me? C and Lee also react to the situation, and this youth when him figure it out, him also react to the situation because him and Niah did in a little thing but him and Niah friend. You see me I say? If you look on the internet you even see Niah on him car, them par before. You see it? So him also react to the situation because you know something like this happen, you go have a lot of people I say this, I say him, I say even Niah friend. People I say and Niah friend, the same youth who did in the video with him, who did up on the line and have to take away himself, people I say all of him. A whole heap of things are going with people. But me just have to say this, here we go on. Only stop pointing fingers because if you did in some similar something like that, you wouldn't like nobody a point finger at you, and it's so messed up finger point and maybe you go point finger upon the wrong person and that the wrong person they get with the person will actually do whatever forget. So now have to know one other people. We're gonna kick it off with Diamond and we're gonna get in the rest.
Nobody ever take the time out and put up youth and we talk about the youth, you know. I saw no stay, but one of you make go viral, like it do not make go viral. I saw no blood clots stay. I don't run, I don't unfollow people, I don't this, I don't that. You see, nobody that talk about Niah, true Niah is no flavor. I want a few people that don't name I talk about Niah. And we have name, we don't talk about Niah. But if I went none else, we don't name our people head, we don't run for talk about cancer, we don't run for talk about unfollow. When they don't come, we don't know up. All time they laugh, much of uno, but 3,000 uno son unfollow me, you know. And them something there, you know. And Niah did right us up at our workplace, now. Right us and Niah did at our workplace, now. Right us and Niah did at our workplace. Niah did right us at the workplace. And everybody will be a dumb tweet. Nobody not say nothing. You know, excitement because Niah don't flavor it. But I saw no steer over yesterday, you know. I saw no steer when people talk the truth. On new my people, they don't go on the most way. You understand me? I don't run come. I don't chat about who for cancel, who for this and who for and look there, everybody sit down, everybody rank normal, like it's nothing at all. Cause Niah is not on a flavor it. So no can talk about it. You know, everybody dumb. Everybody pay a blood clot silent. Make away one on the favorite TikTok if TikTok on TikTok lockdown. You all on to sit down on a rank normal and not be like nothing. All the people in have name 1 and 2 put up it a sound stay over here. But make away nobody else want to flavor it. You know see all on to run out and no more loud and go up on top. And the dirty people in the comment section on the run on top about cancer, on the jump off the unfollow. And the man that's up our workplace, you know. In front of everybody I know. Right our workplace no car. Remember our workplaces, you know, and the man them place, no, and the co-worker them sit down on them blood clot life and play and behave like they not see nothing and ignore it. True Niah is that on no flavor it. A sound no stay. I when nobody else on your map on yourself, on jump up, on run for talk about cancer, on run for talk about unfall and all these things. I want to run with the all bout. But I animal right or something on the eye side. And the whole on no dumb, I don't play like on no blood clot seed. But if I when nobody else, I say, well, no, I do me too. God forbid that nothing I do me by the name of Jesus. So not do me too. Because when people are not flavor it, ignore people and be like not see things. And they test up our workplace in front of how much people yeah. And everybody be like not see it. Everybody sit down and a rank and play dumb and blind eye to it. Yeah, man. But when they don't come to trace me and talk about how me and laugh and the whole I want to jump up in a box, I want to talk about cancer, I want to talk about unfalla. But when serious something now, I go and write just in our workplace, that's so in our eye. But you, Niah, no flavor it. Nobody don't want to run out. Nobody don't want to talk. Nobody don't want to say nothing. Everybody just sit down around like a normal something. Me not see nobody run out. Me not see them float over the internet. I know me not see nothing go viral or nothing. That people send me a while ago in my WhatsApp, me didn't know nothing they go on. And me go some man and look. I look over TikTok, me can't see nothing. And me I say, you sure say it's true. And then me look somebody send me the video with the man kneel down and grow. Me say, what? Then if you go and move fire and go. Tonight I don't know if flavor. Nobody now run out. Nobody now the part of them game. Nobody now talk about it. Everybody sit down on a rank and I play like them blind to blood clot it. Tonight I don't know if flavor. Then I tell you see that up here? You see over here so? A devil's playground, man. You say if you know them flavor, they don't use you. Because now in workplace, and you know, hear nothing just silence. So I want a few people you see I talk about it. At my workplace, I sound no stay. But because when nobody else, when you run out and go up on the head top, and ready to trace people, and ready to talk who for unfollow who, and ready to talk about blood clot cancer, and ready for this, and ready for that. But something we go on at the workplace, yes, so we important with the man losing life left in Pitney. No get up and talk about it, no sit down on the rank. Nah, man, nobody no look, move on the blood clot, and no come for me. Let me get this up on up, because I saw no steer, man. You know, I saw no steer. Do I know no flavor rank, and nobody not talk about this. Everybody just left this at one place, and it just look, it come like say, man, it just like, it make it look like a one little prank. And I write that's how the man workplace, but you Niah no flavor it. Nobody not run up on it. Yeah, man, but if I mean nothing else, no run out. Everybody run out. Everybody that go on, I saw no blood clots. I want to come for me. Let me give you this up on the camera. I want this up on the family. When I come talk about how much. Me, yeah, like, the blood clot, me, I laugh, say. I want this up on the family, you see? This up on some of the family, yeah, but me just low, you know, I just avoid, you know. Let me soon I never put myself over here. I just avoid, you know. Because, you see, serious things one of it talk about and go about no go like you no see it. And it just for my workplace. Alright, just say workplace no. But you Niah know we flavor it. And Niah not that rank. See me not do me too. Cause me know none over here not like me. See me not do me too. Me glad don't make me glad. So I left TikTok who know if you stay over here with it. Once I blues me come by here. Remember me tell you no. Oh no go nobody want to talk about this you know. Everybody silence. Yeah, me I tell you say, I be a small rank and me see I put up it. I be a small rank and me see I talk about it. No we big and tap. Me no see them a talk about it. Cause I guess I know Niah know they flavor it. So true Niah know they flavor it. Nobody now go come talk about it. I say we not do me blood clot to come. Me I know no flavor it. Cause when you no quick for run out by me. When you run out by me, oh me I laugh over TJ them. I mean they laugh, you know. Me just come by the live, hold on one jump on me throat. When me look at 5,000 unfollow me, you know. At 5,000 unfollow me, say me when they laugh. And that should become me name one come by a go leg on my mouth. Cause now was a 8 blood clot me, you know. Oh, come on, if we go cut 50 people when no busy about themselves. Alright. Me now get up and cuss nobody for no happy no. Cause you swear me in my trials and my tribulation. Nobody now cuss me for the app. The only thing me I say, oh me no see nobody and move me I say me no see nothing. Me I want never prank around you. Oh me no see me there look. I scroll through for you. And me see some little rank they put up and me see video with the user with the yellow tape. Me I say blood clot you trying to ramping. I two somebody alone me see when they talk about it. I must see Zuma and Miss Triple alone me did see at the time. But look how everybody will run out already. Everybody can run out to our workplaces. If I even run out and say John Youth R.I.P. sad move and something. Not even say me could tell we co-worker company saying I must see Triple and Zuma alone me did see. When time we wake up when they send me from WhatsApp.
Alright, some people want to say this, right? You see when a person get unalive violently, people now go really come out for him. So like if him sick and drop out, more people will come out for him and have things to say. But if I like this way knockings and clappings, well, people now go really have too much to say cause them no want to say the wrong thing. You see me? I see a lot of people react to what go on, but remember in the night it happened way up in the night, right? I think I wake up in the night and remember early morning, so enough people even maybe wake up yet for even see what go on for really, you know what I mean? So Diamond should I make it cool off till maybe later on up in the day when she knows say everybody wake up, cause enough of the people them then depend them live till hours and then them go sleep. And you see me I say, so me not feel like I have people really have nothing against him to that. We feel like say people just now want to come out strong in a situation like that. You understand what I say? So make watch some more my people and hear what she say, because it's a sad situation, but to all enough of the people them run trick people, run prank on the internet. You see what I say? Enough people don't even know if a real thing. Cause a youth will ever say certain things, you know, pan him ever post some type of things where him say, don't wait till me drop out until this and that, and you know what I mean? Maybe this is something where him did try pull off people maybe think. You know what I mean? So watch out. We're gonna watch some more here where I say I remember we have some more people for share with Uno. We are talking about the situation.
I wake up and I go look. I think I see Miss Triple and Zuma on live. I like me to hear somebody a pray something like that. And Miss Triple and Zuma alone me see. But not even say, you will have come out and say, boy, if I ever put up the youth and say R.I.P. or nothing. But other day, you know what, you have my blood clot head. I don't want to talk about people I laugh at this serious. I saw no stay. When people, I don't know favorite rank, I don't know look. I don't know bias, I saw no blood clot stay. But me don't give a cause when you don't come off of me, you know. Actually, me never in the movie rub out on a stink blood clot. Cause at Christmas, I mean, they look close to sell. But me not come over here and rub out on a stink blood clot. All that watch chat. All the little donkey, ugly boy over there, so. Where they come chat off him mouth, you know. Where they come chat off him mouth. Somebody know have the answer, my little ugly mug there, you know. Nobody not have no time for you, you know. You see, at 2025 I come here, nobody not have no time for argue with no jackass. Too terrible, man. No, too terrible. Nobody now come and hey, me tell you something. No comment. Nobody name and I sang so out to the mama. Lift up on me like before me black on. Now you're nothing for no move for your song. Where? You're nothing for no. Cause we'll on a put all on the comment section too. To someone of you go on and come. 5,000 no gonna how much more one go on. Go on to no comment on me bumbo clat like money I'm shit. I saw no bumbo clat stay. Go on, man. Much how no jump up other day and talk about me a laugh of a man and follow blood clot me. I know when the man know when for real at your workplace. Nobody now viral. Not telling no man, don't no comment. Nothing on the ass. I was so called to the man, live up fine in my life. And go on and go. Return can unfollow me to and go on. No care. Cause enough of yourself because unfollow and kill up on yourself over people when they come out. When they come out and things start, man, let them know about that. It take man, I take a big man. After people cuss, after I will on a cuss, and never have on yourself a blood clot the people and get lick. Never have yourself, you know. Well, the man come out and say, oh, it take a big man to apologize after them tapping our head. And then that man go cuss about, man move on the bumbo clot, yeah, man. Cause every time I talk on the vex, you know, man move on the pussy fire, so. And that man go cuss about. Then me cuss and pick up for you, come out and talk about it, big man to apologize. And that don't know want me cuss about. That don't know they want me cuss about. I don't go on no ways, yeah, man. Cause you say me talk people vex, you know. Me don't give about on them because me there before social media, you know, say, 100 don't know and follow me, that nothing to do with me, you know. I remember saying both before social media. No social media bust me. So if you want to follow me over TikTok, that don't really have nothing to do with me. Cause me done bust long time, bust and stop at the bus stop, bust and stop at the bus stop. Cause I saw on a blood clot stay. On the run out and the whole on the run out and the sit down pat up on the blood clot on the whole on the tar. And the boy there have a workplace. And the whole of we can't even get up and get a candle light. We can't even get up and get a candle light. So what I say? You know why me talk, you know, cause me talk face cannot give up people, you know. So if 100 down one follow me, they really have nothing to do with me. Cause me boss before social media. And me boss already, me now look boss again. Me boss and stop at the bus stop, boss and stop at the bus stop, boss and stop at the bus stop. Me alright. So if all of you want to go on, sometimes if you go on, can come like a careless people and garbage. Cause things want to stand tall, but don't stand tall for. You barely see two look around cause we have name post blood clot the man and say alright. You barely. Me don't know him like that still, you know. But I'm just saying, I saw no hate me if I wear me, who know that blood clot run table for me and look for me. And that bantan me said, God forbid nothing happen to me in Jesus' name, bind up it. But if I wear me a son that blood clot, me I go like no speaker. You see when time people in a circle, who go like people like dirt and boat box. I saw no beard. And when they come argue with someone about you busy and sell me clothes then. Through me busy and sell me clothes, man, I look 1 and 2 that for me Christmas. I come argue with someone over here from chat about diamond the love, diamond this, diamond that, Rip me a talk about so a serious matter you know. You me never want no answer you so later here. Here? Alright. What did I eat that for there? I'm talking to you, serious matter me depend on. 3 boy I don't flavor it, nobody no run out. You know, they hard bout, hot. You know, keep and I lead on the boy, I lead on pan ground. No, but I saw a man dead for the life. I saw a workplace this. Remember we job this, you know. Who no want admit, you know. Our workplace this year. And like I said, nobody no see it. Remember I work in the industry place. One of we could have come together and say, boy, R.I.P. Niah, whatever. We can't carry him back. We know we can't carry him back. But if I even show look remarks, we say, alright then, book back there. But you know when we come live, you know why we come live? Cause 2 other days the little apps say go on. Remember saying when the little apps go. And then Niah my head, and almost people come down and I drop, you know. Let me know if you not hear me. CK, let me know if me I hear you. Yeah, my boy. CK, let me know if you not hear me. I'm a signal a drop. CK, you hear me? You not hear me? Alright. No, despite no situation, no care what, I'm a Tik Toker. And I am a big Tik Toker, I will come and see Niah. Remember Niah and Simon used to run TikTok, you know. When time me just, only thing we used to do, you know, just post over TikTok, you know. And Niah, them and Slime, them me used to watch over here, you know. Remember Niah, a big TikToker more than more all the way, you know. And that me I tell you, you know. Because when time me used to over Instagram, and I'm just regular post, no. And Niah and Slime me used to watch, no. Niah and Slime a big TikToker more than all the way there right now, you know. And them me used to watch every day, you know. Niah and Slime, remember them man used to run TikTok, you know. Before the upscale people them come and all who come and go like them a top on the Harris now, you know. And Niah me know, you know. And Slime, you know. And them my TikTok done, you know. Before none of it know where we are play a match, you know. Because every time, you know, me never used to know play no match, you know. Me used to only post on my TikTok like regular. Me never used to play no match. Now you have big top down over yourself. Team and Slime. And then me used to sit down and watch. And then that Instagram me there. Me not really like post over yourself. Then I just post on Instagram like me do. Me only used to just post video over yourself. Every time I watch. One time I had the things say Niah. Niah used to wear one filter. Me never know see a filter. Me only feel see a pretty Niah, I pretty them the time. Me always used to watch him. And where we boy name? Where we boy name with the pretty ears? See Niah. Where we boy name with the pretty ear man and his face nice? Where we boy name again, man? Where name again, man? And him black and his face nice. Where name again? Alex. Then time that Alex, Niah and Slime me know about. Then the time me now come a TikTok. Here some matters go on them a go on with. Everybody just sit down so you're not pay a little rank. I'm not sure you far you. I pay a little rank, yes, I talk about it. I saw no steer. But other day, no one near my blood clot. I don't want trace me. Remember me no need friend, you know. Remember me and me, remember saying, you know, and me Janet and Jai Bar, you know. And when you know me come by live, you know, cost me about 5,000 on hand follow me, what 3,000 on hand follow me. Me have 85k, you know, me got 82, what 3,000 on hand follow me, because me did a blood clot lab. And they want to look now. now. The man wanna say get lit now, come up and blood clot life, you know. And come up and say take a big man to apologize. No, I mean, no, we can apologize that we apologize. You know if you say nothing, you don't steer your yard, I make the internet talk and you know say nothing at all, so that's no way I want me to cuss for. So anybody want to come me don't know no blood clot because me don't live off the internet. So all I want to handful and go and go and go to the blood clot business. Remember, I'm a market man. That me I tell you no. Me no I saw no stay. When people are on a flavor it on a blind side, I lock on the eye to it. I must see Zuma. I miss triple me see last night. When people are on a flavor it on a lock on the eye to it and go like say people is nobody. And I right, that's upon the workplace, the boy analyze. Right how we workplace. We all go work, I know. Cause all I want to sound rich, you know. I want to sound rich, you know.
Alright, my people, this is just my opinion still. You know what I mean? Me feel like say Niah come out and talk too early, like she a bash the TikTokers them too early because you know something like this people want to know what really go on, where him get himself in before them go make a post certain way. Me see a lot of persons, them don't really come out and say nothing. Them just put up on them like them story R.I.P. Niah. You see me? Me see TJ do it. I remember over when me come me see also. So enough people don't really come and say nothing. As me I say my people, you say if I did any illness or maybe you did in the hospital or whatever, if I did something like that, people would have come out. But you see, because of knockings, enough people I go think before them forward and say anything. You know what I mean? We feel like say it too early, and because it happened last night and the day not done yet, enough people, you know what I mean, them never open them TikTok yet. So we could hear some more of them officer, and then I go share some of the other people them will come out and say things, and I go share the youth when they figure it out and react to the knockings.
I don't know how to on TikTok, you know. We want to sit down over here every day, you know, over here, our workplace. I'm actually workplace me have, you know. TikTok I want at my workplace. I sell out a road I want at my workplace, and dance at my workplace. At 3 workstation me have. So just when one workstation now work, when nothing I go on for dancing, me go sell. Alright, when nothing I go on for TikTok, me rock back on dancing. When nothing I go on for dancing, me rock back on local promotion. When nothing I go on for promotion, me rock back on selling me clothes them. So cause no one go like on rich, you know. I don't go like on have 10 Birkin bag, when go like on have 5 Benz and all them something and go like say. And when people talk on go like say TikTok no hot phone and rare. But yet tell me you no sit down over here, I don't arrest it, I don't go nowhere. Cause TikTok make someone make millions and go like on hype, you know. So me officer in my workplace, you know, cause I'm a workplace. Cause nothing when me run a dancing, me run a TikTok. Plus you could selling when me do. Me never know hear that, you know. At TikTok, I'm selling a partner. Me earn things out, you know. Dancing, I just end up, me just dance and crop myself. Me just say TikTok. I'm a little hustling and partner. I dealing my business. Some of us are telling you, because some of us love go like say, me know some enough of you a blood clot for to not hear say TikTok I go end, you know, because you see some of you see TikTok money coming like, you see TikTok cards come like a scam, you know. As you not get, you know, you say if you not put it to use, it blow Ghana one place now. I mean, no enough of you go back down on the face if TikTok ever ban a man, you know. Let me tell you, you know, because TikTok kind of come like a scamming money, you know, as it come in here, you know, it just a blow away so like a piece of paper, you know. And but shoot the boy I don't know flavor. Nobody now get up and flare about Niah. Yeah, but other day you no come in here have me blood clot. And that 3,000 them and follow me say me they laugh, you know. Me say a 3,000 them come and follow me say me they laugh. Everybody nuff up, everybody fly up. And this is a different situation still, you know. This is a different situation. But the one me attack, one me a base pan, and all they went flip, and everybody go so and bam, and this and that, and everybody talk about him. No, so this is a different situation, and in the yard, yes. But in the life, if even the whole of you come together and say, John, no boy, we go work at those. Even the whole of you put up some something, put up even a little something, even a little remark, make it look like it's something happen. I just be a little rank and me say I talk about it, no big rank and I talk about it. But if I when nobody else, I saw me stay now. You saw me see them go and see Niah, and then go and see what go on, and everybody just silent. I said you don't do me too, but they don't like me. See me, they do me too, but they don't love me. See them exactly because they don't love me. Yeah, me see triple zoom me see. I see him and then I do me too. See him and then I go and see me, but when God forbid, by the name of Jesus, I put back to the pit and it really happened to me. But me I see him and then I go at them blind eye to me too. See him where you can't love me. I don't want all of them to know this. Niah big ranker. Big ranker. And Niah them run TikTok, Niah Slime and Alex. Look at me now, some man on my live come go so come off and my blood clot live and move fire song way. Cause some man are so hypocrite. Some man so no hand follow me still on my live. One do on my blood clot live. Why the hell all enough of yourself and come over your hand follow me 3,000 in the top of me a laugh, you know. Like say if me when they laugh, you could have beat me for laugh. When my situation them over here, so nobody help me. Everybody throw me under the carpet. So if me when one laugh, you could have beat me for laugh. I mean even did a laugh. I saw no blood clots here. Me hear and come for live. It I don't know video that even come out. You know video no come out like nothing, you know. No video never come out, you know. Because I say, if you never watch the video, don't tell me I laugh. I say, eh? Time me and my room them, I say, eh? That's why I like steer my I say, is DJ okay? I saw me that exactly. I mean, ask people, I say, is DJ okay? And the people I say, yes, he okay. I say, oh, all right then. I'm going to say, I mean, I say nothing, pull up on her. That's why I love steer me that me say, you know. And the whole of who know talk about me, the blood clot laugh. And enough of who know say, I don't know who no call laugh. I even go watch back the video. And that time I know video that if you come on, me didn't know if I true or a lie. I saw no blood clot stay, man. I saw no stay. And then mommy I say, even if me did a laugh, it true then put it so. Who could have fight me? Maybe over here, son of my travels and tribulation. Blood clot self. Oh, can you see over here, so? No friend over here, say no. Everybody work together, we make their money, you know. And by the time they make their money, you know, everybody gonna chat every blood clot body, you know. No friend no over here, so. I just everybody at work, everybody rank together, and when ranking done, them chat, everybody chat them one another. And talk about who I make ranking one who like one who boss him on that who.
The sister them that go slap you, cause you are tough up and run like it. And you know, she say serious. And man, depend your life, I tell you, say. Batty man depend your life, I tell you say you go get God mind how you attack and you laugh at talk about like you think the batty man around when they have the money. You think a free money them make half your so yeah? A free money them make half your so and not because
high school you I say the youth when they there on live with them I swim around and that him I say. But my people me see a lot of screen recordings, you know, with Niah and other people. They on TikTok and him deal with them away. But me know how TikTok go sometimes. Sometimes, you know what I mean, man and man make it look like say boy, them don't like each other or them catch up on a cuss or whatever. But really and truly them good, them just do it for entertainment. You see, because me even see me not go point out no specific thing, but me see him on the live with a man and the man I say, yo, yeah, link with such and such and they on live with such and way and like him this the youth where I say whatever to him. You see me? So me don't know if in this him real this or just for them style that, cause you know even when Mackerel and Queen Nikki used to link in our way, them used to cuss one another, and if you don't know what them do, you go think say boy them don't like each other, but them do it for entertainment. You see me I say? So more want to tell more the thinking in the comment section, my people. And what I say, me just feel like say yo, she just say some things and it kinda too early because it didn't not done yet and last night it happened. You understand? Look at what some more people.
And big then transmission one 7,000 US and send go get send they think it'll take a million. Yo, them are youth away right now. Then no more $5,000 man if you come bust out there. 5,000, 6,000, $10,000. Must feel like a million. Me and man talk about million. Where they come from? How they come from? All $5,000, $6,000 man I take. If you come and lick out your head back. Just to prove things go. So you can in worthy. And get food a man in time. $5,000, $6,000. You ask if a JMD, after the US me I tell about, you feel like I'm 1,000 US and 2 days, then get up.
Hold on, soon come.
Alright, mama. You feel like another money, then get up. You feel like say then get up no big money, people pay me head. I look how much man then you look $1,000 get up. Eh? Me say all $5,000 man I take for come bust out head. Just to prove to him man, in Batman say man.
Man there, bro. Nah, man, yeah, the man there, dog. I not even road the man there, bro. A way man could have do something then going on here.
Police hold them, man. Fuck. Yes, ready now, man. They doing not Jamaica, mother now, man.
Dog. Things like them make me not even want friend people about my clock, dog. Things like them make me not even want friend people, dog. Me there me hurt, bro. Me cut up, dog. Me cut up, bro. Me cut up, dog. You see me? Down to my friend them and me lose. You know cut me like how this here cut me, bro. Cause me know the badness go my youth. You see what me I say? Me know the thing go, bro. But there a dog, I'm up on the ground, bro. I can't even near man my bum buckler food I cook charge. I can't even near my food I cook, dog.
$200 million or thereabouts. Give me a Ian, that sounds about right. Collection has a cargo. You have any jobs after this? No, this last one.
Man up on him live, bro. On him live, bro. Man up on him live, dog. On him live, bro. I entertain him people, him I do him same fuck with him always do. On him live, him there in a dog, cause me just got my see screen record in a bro. Cause me did watch the video at first and me see video me dog. Me I say one day if it's a prank this man I come with. When me hear in cousin I back start ball, me I say bumbo clot, it real, you know. I watch out the whole live video and hearing cousin I back. You see, as soon as me hear the girl start scream, I don't know fake scream that. You see what me I say? I don't know prank scream that or prank ball that. I cry that. You see what me I say, bro? I cry that, dog. When me hear that, brother, me I tell you say tears then just start flood out of me eyes same time, dog. Me could hold it. Me could hold it. Me could hold it, bro. I could hold it, dog. Dog, look what Jamaica come to my youth. The people them will entertain on every day down to we on one. And we are entertain on and I put a smile on the face and down to we on one. Oh, the bumbo clot you say to me, dog. I think a prank, bro, when me hear the girl start ball, brother. And I know prank ball in that. I cry that, bro. I cry that, dog. You see me? Watching a chat, I still have to confirm it and see what I go on, you know, because I don't know for sure, I don't know for certain yet. I just don't want to believe so that go on. You see me? I just don't want to believe, bro.
Here we go.
I just don't want to believe, dog. No one believe, bro. A long time I'm on China, bro. A long time my dog at China, my youth. That's why I see me not pay him no mind, you know. I ever hear me a trouble him and I say, dog, you're mad people, you know, I not look upon you, you know. A long time the man at China, bro, and I tell me say, I man in my house, dog. I know say man have a little daughter who I try with, bro. Come on, man. Where Jamaica come to, my youth? Where Jamaica come to, bro? Where Jamaica come to, dog? I wanna tell me say, me wanna come for next. I saw no live out here, Rasta. And me wanna go find next. Our next content creator we are entertaining, you know. I saw we are live, Rasta. Bumbo clot, man. I can't say we are live, bro.
Okay, keep straight.
They're gonna make we as content creator not even one compound we life go entertain, you know, bro. Can I just watch we and watch we every move I want to get the perfect time when I come.
Signal says stop.
Yeah, moderator, lock off the comment section. You see some of them negative people. Lock off the comment section.
Oh man, Southside Heavy's coming at you.
As I'm a chat, prayers out to your dog family. You see me? Prayers out to the dog family, bro. Prayers out to the dog family. You see it, we never come over here for no negative. Prayers out to the dog family. You see me, I say chat? Yeah man, lock off the comment section. Suck on no mama. Not too negative. I come here and vent because I hear a news say the dog gone. I'm tired of telling us I see behind a camera we are content creators. Not because when you hear me and him come cuss every bumbuckle at their meaning so we are enemy. I'm a dog. You see what I say? I'm not too blood clot, corrupt and negative man. I want to know. I come for my life and I say yo, some prayers out for the man and I come over here with the negativity. I want to know, bro. I want to know, dog. I can't be positive for once in our life. You see me? Like somebody me just hear a news say somebody get a hold on yourself, bro. Before you put out some prayers and pray for the man and his family, dog, when they are chat a bag of fam to no brother. I want to no dog. People not event. I mean this and I mean that and I mean that. Me a Tik Toker and that we do. You see me?
Some people, and that's why you have to be careful to, you know, careful how young people catch up, especially in a public, because this youth and Niah, them good, you know. You see me I say? Because if them never did good, them would them on TikTok a match together, right? Them good and them kick off for the year. I don't know hear what the people them have to say, you know. Me know say them in the comment section I say all different type of things, you know. That's why I'm telling him rate if turn off comment section, you know. You see me? So you have to be careful how you catch up with people. You know what I mean? You have to be really careful because other persons may have him and want to do him something and them just find you and him catching up as the perfect moment if you go do him something for nothing gonna point for them direction. You see me? So make watch some more people. We also have Lee and him could even believe say boy the G get gone up and drop out. So we're gonna watch some more.
Come for live and run it off to entertain someone up. One so negative and love go out and over. Uno we come for social media called entertain. Uno. I come for my life, me I tell you say yo, prayers out for your man family when you come over here with no negativity. I want to know brother no make me this no man. Prayers out for your dog family, man. Respect for everybody who has sent out prayer for your dog, you know. You see me? Respect for everybody who is upon the life who has sent out prayer for your dog. Believe me. You see me, and ladies that say if you can pray for him family too, me I beg you to pray for him too, yeah? For anybody who can pray, in a to a little prayer. That's all me I ask you for. Some prayers out for the dog. You see what me I say chat? Me not beg you to nothing more than that. Who can pray? Just pray, man. For him family and everybody around him. You see, because you say street now have love for nobody, bro. You see what me I say that? You see me little daughter where him have? And she me feel it for the most, bro. You see me because she young, dog. She young. And me have a son to dog. That make me there pray, say brother, I could have me, dog, and me just drop out left my son somewhere. Nobody now go there for him. Nobody now go there for him. We as father, as single father, me know them thing they go. If we not did it, who are go do it? You see what me I say? If we not did it, who are go do it? Dog, I just see man look at daughter, me feel it for bro. Cause you see true she not even understand when she grew up and I ask whether did it. Prayers out there for me chat. Yeah, beg on. So you me I go no. You me I go do no. I'm going to see if I can go up on Instagram, go see some more evidence and see if I can find out. You see me? If the dog have a chance, you know, I don't want to wish that for him. You see what I say? I don't want to wish that for him, man. So if you know, as I say chat, anybody who can send out some prayers, man, just send out some prayers. Please, I beg you. Yeah? Send out some prayers. Do me a beg you. Which part on IG me can go chat? Which part the page there? When you sound the see it on IG, which part the page there? What the page there? Me and Danger on Instagram. Me and Danger? Alright. Somebody do me a favor. Send me the link. Somebody text me on my TikTok right now. Follow me and text me on my TikTok right now and send me the link. Ramin Gram 18. Alright, let me screenshot this. Ramin Gram 18. Danceware News. I swear, out of all I prank them, I see go on TikTok where I say unnecessary. I just hope say this Niah thing. I one of them prank the dog, I swear. You know, I just watch a video with the dog when the dog at about 2025. I was just about to use the sound, you know. Like, you know. Them a target the TikTokers them. I'm face a bad mind I cast it.